Welcome to Better Homes Designs, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home architecture and interior trends. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're diving into a timeless style that continues to captivate homeowners and designers alike, mid-century modern. But what exactly does this style mean, and why has it stood the test of time? We'll explore the essence of mid-century modern design, its incredible benefits, and how you can bring this iconic look to your own home. Stay tuned as we count down our top 10 favorite mid-century modern home designs. The term mid-century modern refers to a design movement that emerged roughly between the 1940s and 1960s. It's a style characterized by clean lines, organic and geometric forms, a lack of ornamentation, and a deep connection to nature. The philosophy behind it was a response to the post-war era's desire for functionality, affordability, and a forward-looking, optimistic future. Think of it as a blend of Scandinavian practicality, American optimism, and the sleek elegance of the Bauhaus school. It's a style that celebrates simplicity, using honest materials to create spaces that are both beautiful and livable. Mid-century modern homes are designed to be integrated with their surroundings, often featuring large windows and open floor plans that blur the line between indoor and outdoor living. So, why choose a mid-century modern design for your home? The benefits are many. Firstly, these homes are incredibly functional. The emphasis on clean lines and open spaces creates a sense of spaciousness and encourages a minimalist lifestyle, free from clutter. This style is also renowned for its timeless appeal. Unlike fleeting trends, the classic elements of mid-century modern design, like its natural materials and simple forms, ensure that these homes remain stylish and relevant for decades to come. Furthermore, the designs focus on large windows, and a seamless connection to the outdoors promotes a sense of well-being. By flooding the interior with natural light and providing expansive views of the landscape, these homes create a serene and calming environment. They are designed to be lived in, offering both beauty and practicality in equal measure. Now, let's talk about the exterior. The first step to a great mid-century modern exterior is creating a strong connection to the surrounding landscape. Use low-slung, minimalist landscaping with native plants and natural stone pathways to guide the eye toward the home. Think of clean, geometric planter boxes and simple, yet elegant, outdoor furniture. Lighting is also key. Opt for simple, directional uplighting to highlight architectural features and create a warm, inviting glow in the evenings. The goal is to make the exterior feel as intentional and curated as the interior. Embrace the less is more philosophy by keeping the color palette neutral and earthy, allowing the materials themselves to be the star of the show. What are the best materials for a mid-century modern home facade? When it comes to materials, mid-century modern design celebrates honesty and texture. Here are some of the best materials to use for your home's facade. First, wood. From rich, dark walnut to light, airy teak, wood is a cornerstone of this style. It adds warmth, texture, and a connection to nature. Second, stone. Stacked stone or large, natural stone veneers provide a strong, earthy contrast and a sense of permanence. Third, brick. Especially red or exposed brick. It offers a classic, industrial feel that pairs beautifully with wood and glass. Fourth, stucco or rendered finishes. These materials provide a clean, monolithic look that serves as a perfect backdrop for the more natural elements. Fifth, glass. Large, expansive panes of glass are essential for blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces and maximizing natural light. Now for the final section. Are you ready to see some stunning examples? Let's dive into our countdown of the top 10 best mid-century modern home designs. 1. The Urban Oasis. This striking home masterfully blends modern minimalism with natural textures. The exterior features a second-story facade with vertical wooden louvers, providing privacy while allowing light to filter through. Below, a seamless indoor-outdoor living area opens onto a verdant lawn, illuminated by warm downlights. The use of exposed brick and stone accents, along with the deep roof overhang, creates a perfect urban retreat. 2. The Rustic Retreat. Nestled in a landscape of mature trees, this home showcases a beautiful combination of textures. The lower level is clad in rich, dark wood panels, contrasting with the lighter stone masonry on the upper floor and chimney. Expansive windows on both levels ensure the interior is flooded with natural light and offers stunning views of the outdoors, while the clean lines of the roof and balcony with a glass railing add a contemporary touch. 3. A-frame revival. This beautiful home reinterprets the classic A-frame design with a mid-century modern sensibility. The deep blue exterior siding is beautifully contrasted by the warm wood soffit of the roofline, which extends to create a covered patio area. Large sliding glass doors and oversized windows blur the lines between inside and out, creating a bright and airy interior. The simple, clean landscaping perfectly complements the home's striking architecture. 4. The Modern Gable. This home presents a fresh take on the classic gable roofline. A combination of dark vertical siding and warm horizontal wood planks creates a dynamic and inviting facade. The minimalist entryway, with a simple yet elegant front door and large window, is framed by a striking white vertical element. Low-maintenance landscaping with accent lighting completes the look, creating a welcoming and modern entrance. 5. The Forest Hideaway. Tucked away among tall trees, this home exemplifies the harmony between architecture and nature. The deep gray exterior siding and large, sloping roofline give it a cozy yet modern feel. The expansive front door and garage door feature frosted glass panels, providing privacy while still allowing light to penetrate. The warm glow from the interior lights and the simple flagstone path create a truly inviting ambience. 6. The Split-Level Gem. This split-level home uses a combination of materials to great effect. The lower section features clean white walls and warm wood paneling on the garage door, while the upper level is clad in rich, red-toned brick. The terrace design, with its simple concrete steps and integrated landscaping, creates a clean and minimalist entryway. The strong, flat roof lines and strategic lighting highlight the home's geometric shape and unique architecture. 7. The Stone and Wood Masterpiece. This home beautifully marries a stone facade with warm wood accents and sleek modern elements. The large, sloping roofline, clad in light wood on the underside, creates a dramatic overhang that defines the entryway. A tall, stacked stone wall provides a beautiful texture, while a vertical slatted wood screen adds a modern touch. The large windows and thoughtfully placed exterior lighting make this home feel both grand and welcoming. 8. The Red Siding Contemporary. This vibrant home stands out with its striking red siding and clean, black accents. The cantilevered structure and a black slatted pergola create visual interest and define different outdoor living spaces. Large windows offer panoramic views and fill the interior with light, while the clean lines of the concrete pathways and simple landscaping reinforce the home's modern aesthetic. This design perfectly balances bold color with minimalist form. 9. The glass house. This spectacular home is a celebration of glass and natural light. Its design features multiple interlocking volumes, all clad in beautiful wood siding, with floor-to-ceiling windows on almost every facade. This creates a breathtaking connection to the surrounding landscape, making the home feel as if it is part of the forest. The tiered wooden deck offers multiple outdoor living spaces, perfect for entertaining or quiet contemplation. 10. The multi-level modern. This two-story home showcases a sophisticated blend of materials and forms. The lower level features a large glass garage door and a stone-clad pillar, providing a sense of strength and permanence. The upper level combines warm wood siding with a sleek, flat roofline and a balcony with a glass railing. The well-lit entryway and thoughtfully landscaped garden with low-lying plants and rocks complete this elegant and contemporary mid-century modern design. There you have it, 10 stunning examples of what makes mid-century modern design so enduringly popular. From the honest use of materials to the seamless integration with nature, this style offers a unique and beautiful way to live. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, incorporating mid-century modern principles can transform your space into a functional, beautiful, and timeless sanctuary. Remember to focus on clean lines, natural materials, and an open floor plan that embraces the beauty of the outdoors. It's a design philosophy that's not just about aesthetics, but about creating a better, more connected way of living. If you were inspired by these incredible homes, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural inspiration. Let us know in the comments which design was your favorite, or what design style you'd like us to cover next. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.